You already come pre-gapped, and let me work on that second one. I'll be right back. All right, so that was kind of a bitch, but we got it out, and I'm like excited just to get this done. Okay, as you can see, I am really putting some elbow grease in this. I have to sit on top of my truck because I don't have man strength. Just because you don't have man strength doesn't mean you can't do it. I'm here to show you that us as women, we can do it too. But let me go ahead and show you and I'm doing this, right? Because I'm using my leverage to just loosen it, and then it just comes right out. So let me go ahead and show you. This is literally how I have to get shit done. All right, we got it loose. I'm gonna reach in and grab it. Oh yeah, she was misfiring up. As you can see, it is corroded. I feel very relieved to know that this is what I just pulled out. And I will show you guys a new one. And if you guys have any other questions, I think I'm running out of memory here. But if you have stayed this long, I will show you guys other cool videos that I work on my Ford Ranger. I will show you guys what the new one looks like compared to this. But thank you for staying along. And Blanca, she's gonna be ready to go. All right, so this is how the new one comes. The one on the new one is right. It has a cap on it. Now, as you guys can see, the one on the right is not corroded. The one on the left is corroded. Again, I feel extremely relieved that I will probably not be having any more misfires, any problems. It was very disheartening to see the check engine light for the very first time after owning my truck for 8 years. Thank you again for staying along, and we are going to change the rest of my spark plugs and get shit done. Don't forget, I don't make the rules, I just break them. Thank you for staying along. Bye.